Let's say what is a Newton School. Newton School is a platform which prepare you for career in tech. It has a many courses designed for freshers and workers, professionals, and also for a woman who is no tech background. Newton School first trains you for 6 months and help you to become an amazing stack developer. It also has a network of more than 300 great companies who hire from Newton School. So once the training is completed, Newton Schools ensure that its students are placed with some of the best companies in the country. And the best part of this, Newton School has a pay after placement program under which you do not have to pay Newton School anything until and unless you have placed with a minimum 5 lakh CTC. Let's have a look at Newton School Launchpad. Launchpad is an institute taken by Newton School for people who want to start coding from scratch and learn the basics different programming languages for absolutely free of cost. The video will be available in the Launchpad sections of the Newton School. There you can participate several quizzes and assignments related to this course.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to take a look at the input tag of HTML. First of all, we will see the input tag type button. You can see that after giving type button, a small button is created over here. As you can see this. If you want to add the text inside the button, you can use the value and submit. You can see this after typing value submit, a submit text come inside the our input tag. So now let's take at the another tag. We have to add it into another line, that's why you are using vr tag. So another input tag is our input type, which type is checkbox. Let's close it. Now you can see it here. Here is a coming a checkbox. A small checkbox is coming over here. I will add again br tag over here. So, no. So now you can see this. A small checkbox is coming over here. So now let's take a look at the another input tag. So our another input tag is input, which type is color. From that we can select the color. So now you can see that here we can from here we can select the color also, like this one. Like we can change, you can also input the RGB values or X value also you can add over here, or by this bar you can also change the color. So this is your color tag. So now let's take a look at the another our input. Now let's add the our another input tag, which which type is date. Using this input we can add the date. You can see here you can select the date. Like you can also adjust the year and month as well. From here you have multiple options. Date, You can see this. If you want to clear it, you can also clear it from here like this. Now let's add the another input type, which type is email. In this we can only add the email, but you can see that this particular type is only for the emails. Like this. So now take a look at the our another input tag type. So our another input type is file. Let's first of all add the input tag, and type will be file. Like you can see here, if you click on file, from this you can add the file. Let's add the BR tag to take it below. So now we will add the another input tag, which type is password. You can see this. If we add type anything over, it will be hidden. So this is the benefit of this input type password. So let's add your another. So first of all, let we input it type will be radio. You can see this. A small radio button is come over here. Let's add the another input type, which type is image. You can see this. Image type is come over here. So now take a look at the another input type. The another input type is number. Let's I will add the PR type. So this will come in the another line. You can see that you can add over here numbers like this up and down slider also come over here. This is the benefit of the input type number. So now let's add the another input tag type. This type will be range. You can see that if you give the type range, bar will become. You can here increase and decrease the bar. So now let's take at the another. So now let's add the another input type, which type is month. From here you can see this. By adding month type, you can see here, you can select the month and year. So let's add the another input tag, which type is reset. So the reset button is used to reset all the data in the form. When we use the reset button in form, you can see that thing. So now add the another input tag, which type is time. So now we can, let's add the another tag, input tag, which type is URL. You can see this, our above this timer type is this. You can select the time, and let me show you this. So wait, after this tag I will show you that thing also. So now our another input tag type is week. So now you can select, you can paste URL over here. So the above tag type. So now take a look at the another tag. The another tag will be input type TEL. You can see that the week type is come over here. You can see this. You can select the whole week from here. So let me show you.